The Make America Healthy Again Commission has released their second report, laying out a strategy for improving children's health. The report laid out 4 possible causes for childhood chronic disease, including poor diet, chemical exposure, and more. It also lays out more than 100 plans for research and investigation into many other issues.
It was a laundry list of problems. What you didn't see was you didn't see a clear statement of the problem, nor did you see a clear statement about how one was going to approach that problem, and then what were going to be the criteria to determine whether or not that approach was successful. It was kind of just a vague, off the top of one's head laundry list. I mean, if this were an NIH grant, it would be sent back as incomplete.
The report, which authors describe as an outline of future specific executive actions, lays out plans to advance critical research. The administration has cut billions of dollars to scientific research identified as tied to diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is a noted vaccine skeptic, and when it comes to vaccines, the report laid out a new framework that includes investigating vaccine injuries and making sure America has the best childhood vaccine schedule.
I think right now, certainly with RFK Jr.'s war on vaccines, we're less healthy. We have a measles outbreak epidemic we haven't seen in more than 3 decades. We have more children who've died this year from flu than has died since 2009 during the swine flu pandemic.
Most of the critics of the new report point to a lack of restrictions on pesticides, something the Make America Healthy Again community has been pushing for. The new report calls for little changes on regulations, but rather more evaluation of current regulations and research. Overall, a call for more research is the most common theme of the report.
If one believes, as RFK Jr. does, that America is, quote, sicker than ever before, he should define exactly what he means by that. In other words, in what way are we sicker than ever before? And then list it sort of in a manner, in a hierarchical manner, of what are the most to least impactful ways in which we are sicker than ever before, and how he plans to approach that.
For more stories that matter to you, download the Straight Arrow News mobile app today.